You're standing in a bustling market in Tokyo, the scent of street food filling the air, and you spot the perfect souvenir. But your YouTrip balance is staring back at you with a big, fat zero. Panic sets in, right? You're miles from home, and you need to top up your YouTrip, like yesterday. Sound familiar? Well, if you've ever found yourself wondering how to quickly and easily add funds to your YouTrip card, you're in the right place. Because honestly, nobody wants to be stuck without access to their travel funds, especially when you're exploring a new corner of the world. So, let's dive straight in. How do you top up your YouTrip? It's actually a pretty straightforward process. First things first, you'll need the YouTrip app. Make sure it's downloaded and you're logged in. Once you're in, look for the top up button. It's usually pretty prominent on the main screen. Tap that, and you're on your way. Now, here's where you get to choose how much you want to add. YouTrip allows you to top up in a variety of currencies, depending on where you are and what you need. Enter the amount you want to add, and you'll see the equivalent in your base currency. This helps you keep track of your spending, which is super handy when you're dealing with different exchange rates. Next, you'll need to select your funding source. YouTrip typically allows you to link your debit or credit card for instant top-ups. Just make sure the card you're using is registered in your name and that it supports online transactions. If it's your first time topping up, you might need to enter your card details. Don't worry, YouTrip uses secure encryption to protect your information. After you've selected your card, you'll likely need to verify the transaction. This usually involves a one-time password, OTP, sent to your phone or through your bank's app. Enter the OTP, and voila! Your YouTrip balance should be updated almost instantly. But what if you don't want to use a debit or credit card? Some regions offer alternative top-up methods, like bank transfers or e-wallets. Check your YouTrip app for the available options in your location. Bank transfers might take a little longer to process, so keep that in mind if you need funds urgently. Now, here's a pro tip: set up auto top-up. YouTrip allows you to automatically add funds when your balance drops below a certain amount. This feature is a lifesaver, especially when you're traveling and don't want to worry about constantly monitoring your balance. Just set the threshold and the amount you want to top up, and YouTrip will handle the rest. Another useful feature is the ability to top up in multiple currencies. YouTrip lets you hold multiple currencies in your wallet, so you can top up in advance and avoid fluctuating exchange rates. This is especially useful if you're planning a multi-country trip. Just convert your base currency to the currency you need, and you're good to go. And remember, always double-check the transaction details before confirming. Make sure the amount and currency are correct, and that you're using the right funding source. A quick glance can save you a lot of headaches later. So, there you have it. Topping up your YouTrip is a breeze. Just open the app, select Top Up, choose your amount and funding source, verify the transaction, and you're ready to go. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.